Want to connect your JBL Charge 6? Here's how. Connecting to an Android device. Turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. Press the Bluetooth button to enable pairing mode. Open Settings on your phone and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure it is turned on. Tap on your device from the list and click Pair to see status connected. Connecting to an iPhone. Press the Bluetooth button on speaker to enable pairing mode. Go to Settings. Tap Bluetooth. Turn it on. Select your speaker from the device list and wait to see the status connected. Connecting to a laptop PC. Turn on your JBL Charge 6 by pressing the power button. Press the Bluetooth button once to enable pairing mode. Open Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth. Click Add Device. Select Bluetooth again. Then, tap on your device from the list and click Done. Subscribe for more useful tips.